Hello everyone, I'm Ligo. Today's topic is Song Joong-ki and Moon Chae-won's fortune analysis. At the request of overseas YouTube subscribers, I analyzed the fortune harmony between Song Joong-ki and Moon Chae-won, asking for a fortune analysis, saying that the chemistry in the drama Good Man looked good. They were fortunes that showed very good chemistry as friends, as fellow actors. Especially, Song Joong-ki's fortune was very different from what it looks like. They all had the same letters that pointed to them as negative matters. Negative matters are mainly compared to jewelry, and they are very neat, beautiful, and shiny. For those who have negative matters themselves, there are many beautiful men and women who seem to have carved them out. However, there is also a bit of a rough personality. The blue circle in the picture is a letter expressing the perception of the spouse. They are all the same letters, but they all recognize their spouses as friends. Therefore, they must have had great chemistry in the drama as friends and colleagues. And the letters marked with pink hearts are letters that can be beautiful sculpture, handsome and beautiful. And they have many of those letters. The reason why Song Joong-ki is handsome and Moon Chae-won is beautiful was mentioned in their fortune. But from here, there's different story. In Song Joong-ki's fortune on the left, the pink circle means a spouse, and it conflicts with the letter that means him. And Song Joong-ki said, all the letters except for the two letters in the pink are the same energy as himself. In other words, the ego is very strong. In this case, he has the advantage of being strong in drive and self-esteem, but he may not be able to afford to accept others. And the conflict with the letter that means a woman means that a girlfriend or spouse can often cause a conflict unless they have a ill. I think Song Joong-ki should marry a wife who has no outside activities and is a good wife who keeps a quiet home. Moon Chae-won is famous for her good fortune, and the flow of energy is so natural and turns around. And every success that she makes sure to succeed is a very good fortune. And because she is allied with letters that mean spouse, she is loved by spouse and has very much loved by her spouse. Therefore, they show very good chemistry as actors and colleagues, but they don't seem to be suitable for a couple. Thank you. Subscribe, thumbs up please. Thank you very much. Bye.